Have you ever dreamed of transforming your hair from dull and brittle to lush, shiny, and irresistibly soft, literally overnight? Imagine waking up tomorrow morning to the silky, luxurious locks you've always envied, without expensive salon visits or chemical treatments. Today I'm revealing an ancient Arabic secret, a magical hair recipe passed down through generations, cherished by women renowned worldwide for their breathtakingly beautiful hair. This hidden gem harnesses the power of natural ingredients that deeply nourish, heal damage, and trigger rapid growth, even after just one use. But why has this Arabic hair care tradition been kept secret for so long? What's so special about these simple yet powerful ingredients that they could dramatically change the health and appearance of your hair overnight? Stick around, because you're about to uncover a recipe so transformative it feels like magic. Welcome to Infinite Infotainment, where we explore nature's incredible remedies that mainstream beauty industries don't want you to know. If you're tired of weak, lifeless hair and ready for a miraculous transformation, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe and get comfortable. Your journey to the hair of your dreams starts right now. Now let's unveil the magical ingredients behind this transformative Arabic hair recipe, each carefully chosen for their extraordinary benefits. First, there's the legendary black seed oil, or Nigella sativa, revered in the Arab world as the cure for everything except death. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential fatty acids, it nourishes your scalp, strengthens follicles, and boosts hair growth remarkably fast. Next comes pure organic olive oil, treasured as liquid gold by ancient queens. Overflowing with vitamin E and healthy fats, it deeply hydrates your hair, restoring shine, softness, and elasticity to damaged strands. Adding to this powerful blend, we introduce fenugreek seeds, an ingredient beloved in traditional Arabic beauty rituals. These tiny seeds contain proteins, iron, and nicotinic acid, which dramatically reduce hair loss, stimulate growth, and improve hair thickness. Fenugreek also coats each strand, smoothing roughness and adding natural shine. Then, we have soothing aloe vera gel, nature's ultimate moisturizer, known for healing irritated scalps, calming inflammation, and deeply hydrating each strand. Coupled with the humectant magic of honey, the recipe locks moisture into your hair, instantly eliminating frizz and enhancing softness. Finally, aromatic rosemary essential oil completes our blend. It invigorates your scalp circulation, significantly accelerating new hair growth and turning every application into a luxurious, spa-like experience. Together, these potent ingredients create a uniquely effective hair treatment. Overnight, you'll witness softer, thicker, and visibly healthier hair, transforming your strands naturally, effortlessly, and beautifully. Now, let's dive straight into creating your magical Arabic hair remedy, step by step. Grab your notebook and follow along carefully, because precision matters for achieving the extraordinary results this recipe promises. First, soak 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in half a cup of water overnight. This step is essential as it unlocks their powerful nutrients and creates a gel-like consistency that's perfect for deep hydration. The next morning, strain the fenugreek seeds, but don't discard the water. Instead, blend the softened seeds into a smooth paste, gradually adding back the reserved water to achieve a creamy, spreadable texture. Next, add 1 tablespoon of pure black seed oil, the legendary ingredient celebrated for promoting rapid hair growth. Follow this with 2 tablespoons of rich organic olive oil, known to deeply nourish and revitalize dull, damaged strands. Now blend in 2 tablespoons of soothing aloe vera gel, nature's miracle moisturizer, ideal for calming scalp inflammation and hydrating hair from root to tip. Add 1 tablespoon of pure honey, a powerful humectant, to lock moisture into each strand, immediately reducing frizz and enhancing softness. Lastly, introduce 5 drops of aromatic rosemary essential oil, which stimulates scalp circulation and significantly speeds up hair growth. Combine all these ingredients thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, creamy consistency, ensuring each component is evenly distributed. Once your magical blend is ready, transfer it into a clean glass container for easy application and storage. A quick tip: always perform a patch test on your skin to ensure no allergies or sensitivities. Store any leftover mixture in the refrigerator to preserve freshness and potency, ideally using it within 1 week. With your powerful Arabic recipe now prepared, you're ready to transform your hair overnight, achieving lush, silky strands that others will envy. Now that your magical Arabic blend is ready, let's talk about how to properly apply it for maximum overnight transformation. Begin by sectioning your hair, ensuring easy access to your scalp and roots. Using your fingertips, gently apply the creamy fenugreek-infused mixture directly onto your scalp. Massage slowly in circular motions. This technique stimulates blood flow, promotes nutrient absorption, and encourages rapid hair growth. Once your scalp is generously coated, work the blend downwards through your strands, making sure every hair receives nourishment from root to tip. Pay extra attention to dry, damaged ends, generously coating them to boost repair and hydration. After fully saturating your hair, gather it gently and wrap it securely in a soft microfiber towel, a silk scarf, or satin bonnet. This helps retain moisture, enhances absorption, and prevents friction overnight. Avoid tight wrapping. Comfort is key to a restful night's sleep. For best results, keep this nourishing mixture on overnight, allowing the powerful ingredients like fenugreek, black seed oil, aloe vera, honey, and rosemary oil to deeply penetrate your hair follicles and strands. When morning arrives, gently rinse out the treatment using lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. You'll immediately notice hair that's softer, silkier, and wonderfully revitalized. To truly maximize the amazing potential of this magical Arabic hair recipe, consistency is essential. While you'll notice immediate improvement after just one overnight treatment, continued use, ideally once or twice weekly, will deliver incredible long-term results. Over time, you'll experience thicker, stronger, and noticeably healthier hair, with significantly less breakage and shedding. Complement this powerful treatment with some simple yet impactful daily practices to amplify your results. First, maintain a well-balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Foods like leafy greens, nuts, berries, and fish enhance hair health from the inside out. Stay hydrated, aiming for at least 8 glasses of water daily, as hydration profoundly influences hair elasticity and shine. Protect your hair from environmental stressors by minimizing heat styling, and use gentle, sulfate-free shampoos to prevent stripping away natural oils. Regular scalp massages between treatments further enhance circulation, boosting nutrient delivery to follicles and accelerating growth. Finally, consider integrating other beneficial Arabic beauty practices into your routine, like regular fenugreek rinses or occasional hot oil treatments using black seed or olive oil. By combining consistent use of our magical recipe with these complementary habits, you'll unlock the fullest potential of your hair, achieving unparalleled shine, strength, and beauty. So, what results can you expect from this magical Arabic hair recipe? After just one overnight treatment, most people notice immediate improvements: softer strands, reduced frizz, and a healthy, radiant shine. Your hair will feel deeply nourished, more manageable, and visibly healthier. With consistent weekly use, the benefits become even more dramatic. Within a few weeks, you'll likely see faster hair growth, thicker volume, and a noticeable reduction in breakage and shedding. For those dealing with dry, brittle, or thinning hair, this recipe works like a reset button, restoring strength and elasticity from the roots up. Even stubborn issues like itchy scalp or dandruff tend to fade away thanks to the healing properties of black seed oil, aloe vera, and fenugreek. But remember, while the overnight results are impressive, the real magic happens with patience and consistency. Stick to the routine and your hair will thank you with vibrant, long-lasting beauty. You've just unlocked one of the most powerful hair secrets the world has never told you, an ancient Arabic recipe capable of transforming your hair overnight. Now it's your turn to experience the magic. Don't just watch, take action. Try this simple remedy tonight and wake up to the silky, vibrant hair you've always dreamed of. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Infinite Infotainment, your trusted source for ancient remedies, natural beauty, and wellness secrets that truly work. Hit the notification bell so you never miss another hidden gem that could change your life. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below to share your experience or ask any questions. And remember, your transformation doesn't stop here. This is just the beginning. Stay with us, and we'll continue to bring you the world's most powerful natural solutions, one remedy at a time.